My name is Ezekiel Ribeiro, and I I basically did BTech business BTech level 3 here in B6. I came from a school called Queensgate College, was near Whitechapel. I got a triple distinction star. I'm going to City London. I feel great about it. I feel really satisfied and proud of what I did. If things go well, planning to become a lawyer. The teachers were always there for guidance. They were always answering my questions. They were really there for me, and I did feel support from the teachers, and that was pretty helpful for me, I would say.
Good.
And also a reminder of working hard. They were really pushing us to work hard.